Okay, I did the same thing I did last video. So this is gonna be turning into uh this is part two of cleaning my little brother's Nikes. So welcome. Thank you for watching. Um so when we stopped, I was wiping off my computer that I film on, and I clicked the mouse pad and it shut off. So I was doing that while I was scrubbing the soles to the right shoe. So let's keep doing that. Okay, so the soles are pretty clean. So now let's work on the midsoles. Okay, so the midsoles are pretty clean. Like, um, clean. So let's get to the uppers. So right now we're working on the toe box because that's like the dirtiest spot on the shoe. We're just gonna really try to scrub any of that stuff out, any of the stains out. And you can see the water going crazy because my desk is not that sturdy. Oh, there's a big like coffee stain or something on the tongue of the shoe, so let's work on that right now. Okay, so now let's wipe down the shoe, see how it looks. That stain is out of the tongue. That's good. That's really good. Most of the stains out of the toe box are gone. Let's Okay, so now let's take out the shoe tree. Yep, soap came through that one too. And now let's clean the tongue and the sock liner. So. Okay, now let's wipe that down. Unfortunately, in this video, I'm not going to be able to show the finishing product, so in the next video, I will. So, there's that shoe. Set it off to the side. Grab the insoles. Oh, they smell so bad. Oh man. Start scrubbing them. It's under my bed.
Yeah, I know.
Jack, I'm gonna throw the entire shoe in the dryer.
What?
Because of how wet it is, and to bring back the color because of how wet of color it is.
But you have to put it in the laundry bag, right?
No.
Yeah.
That's only when you're doing laundry with it. Get off my bed.
Dual pistols? Be a lot. Hey, I found your Kindle yesterday. You want it? Where at? In the bathroom. I will have a spy mission late at night. I'm always going on spy mission late at night, if you know what I'm saying.
Get out of my room.
Can I use your refrigerator wash?
No.
Can I touch it?
No.
Dunk! Oh, okay. You can't even dunk on a 6-foot rim.
It's kind of
You
sad.
can't either. Wait, how can? That's the only one you can dunk on, though. I can dunk on any 6-foot rim.
I can dunk on a 6 foot and 8 foot.
You can dunk on a 6-foot rim. You cannot dunk on an 8-foot.
The second level on the basketball hoop, Jack, that's 8
It's
foot.
like 7.
It's 8.
Brody, it's the second level on the basketball hoop. Is that 7 feet or 8 feet?
That's 8 feet.
No, it's not, because there's like 3
The
more
first
levels.
one is 8 feet.
The first
The
one's
second
not.
one is 9 feet.
He's retarded.
Why do you think you got held back from preschool? That's on YouTube.
Wow.
He didn't really get held back from preschool. We just make fun of him saying that because it makes him mad. And it's funny when he's mad. Okay, so that's about it for the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment down below. Remember, we're still doing the shout out contest. So yeah. See y'all tomorrow with the final product of that shoe. Peace!